Hello beautiful people, and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching, I'm Cheraye. Welcome. If you happen to be returning, you are truly appreciated. Thank you so much and welcome back. Today I'm going to share with you a quick haul of some fragrances that I have accumulated over the last, I don't know, maybe week, month, no, not week, girl, month or so. Okay, so anyways, here on this channel, I do cover fashion, beauty, luxury, and lifestyle, and I talk about anything and everything that makes me happy, which is fashion, which is beauty, which is luxury, which is lifestyle, and it's definitely fragrance darling. So if that sounds like something that you would be into, please consider hitting the subscribe button. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. It will alert you every single time there is a video placed on this channel. You guys, I'm coming in no particular order. I finally got my hands on another one from BDK. I absolutely love this fragrance. I have a full dedicated video to about 8 or so fragrances from the line of BDK, and this one is definitely on there. It's already up on the channel. I'm just going to share the fragrances that I acquired with you guys. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on notes or anything like that, but this one here, oh my gosh, it is so good. This is BDK Passior. I believe I said that right. Passior. This is it here. I love the bottle. First of all, let's take it out. Girl, I love these little cute boxes here. I love this bottle. It's super cute. It's kind of like classic because I believe it's black and white. So I really do love that. And here's the name here. It is Passior. I believe that's how they say it. Now, when I initially shared this fragrance, I told a little bit of a story about it. You guys, this fragrance is so good. It's fruity, it's witty, it's got some patchouli, it's got some cashmere. Oh my gosh, it's just so good. And I had to have it. Oh my God, it just makes me feel some kind of way. It's gonna be perfect for spring, perfect for summer. It's really good. Those fruity notes right in the beginning just makes you think of kind of a little bit of a vacation vibe going on. It's very sexy. I get sexy in there to me. I did a review on it already, you guys, but I didn't own the bottle. I was just going off of a sample, but it was so good. I played with the fragrance. I mean, the little sample that I had, I played with the fragrance sample that I had, and I kept just wearing it, and it didn't last really long, but I thought maybe it just didn't last that long because I only had the little sample. However, I have started to see on reviews and different things like that people say it doesn't last a real long time. I didn't care. Fragrances aren't gonna all last 8 to 12 hours beast mode. I still love the fragrance so much that I still went ahead and bought it, and I am so happy I did. It is just really good. It's very sexy, very fruity, like I said. It has the patchouli down in the base. It's so super good. Oh my gosh. And I normally, do I go for fragrances like this? I mean, it's not hot and heavy and doing the most like some of my other fragrances that I absolutely love, but this right here is really good. And I needed to have it in my collection. If you have BDK Passior, let me know. And if you tried it, let me know your thoughts about it. I highly recommend it. What else did it have in it? It has mandarin, it has ginger. Oh my gosh, it's so good. Yes, so this is here. This is one that I did acquire. I picked up. I'm happy to have that in my collection. During the Sephora sale, I told you guys, finally I received my order. I wanted Love Don't Be Shy, okay? But here's the thing. I wanted Love Don't Be Shy, but then I wanted Love Don't Be Shy, the extreme version. So what I did was, because everything was sold out at the Sephora sale, I barely got my hands on this little roller ball. This is Love Don't Be Shy by Kilian. This is a marshmallow. This is a, you know, the creaminess, the orange blossom. This is the original one. And so I just went with this one here. I already knew what this smelled like, so it wasn't a blind buy or anything like that, but this is really sexy. It's perfect for date night. It's really pretty right now in spring. I could see it being really nice in warmer months as well. I wear it year round. To me, this is a fragrance, Kilian Love Don't Be Shy, that you can wear year round. I didn't want to get the big bottle because I wanted the other one in the big bottle, but I did want this in my collection to, you know, just have, so I did go with the roller size. That's another thing, you guys. If you have a large collection, or if you just don't feel the need to have a huge bottle, I always suggest going with a nice roller ball, or get a decent sized decant of it. That way, if you're ever craving it, or you want to smell it, or, you know, have that be your fragrance of the day, you have it in your stash where you can use it. Not everything do I need to be in a full bottle for me. For me, I just have too big of a collection to have everything in a big bottle and a big size. So I'm very happy to have this one in, and I feel smart for doing so. I move on. So then this one is the one. This right here is Kilian, and this is Love Don't Be Shy. This is extreme. Keitra from Fab Finds by Keitra sent me a sample of this one here, and when she sent it, I just absolutely fell in love with it. And I will say this, I don't find it to be, I do love how their boxes come and how their fragrances packaging come. Very simplistic, but still elegant and sophisticated. You know, she's all about that. I will say that I don't find it to be, when it comes to the point of extreme, like oh my God, it's just doing the most, it's so extreme. I don't get that. I do get it's a tad bit fresher. I do get it's a tad bit airier. It's not so heavy is the word I would say as the original, but it's really good. The longevity to me is about the same. I've heard a few people say they changed the formula, blah, blah, blah. I have no idea, okay? I have no idea. This rocks on me. I put it on after a shower one night. It stayed on me until the next morning. Granted, I sprayed it heavy. Granted, I sprayed it in my clothes. Yes, I sprayed it in my hair, okay? Is what she does. But for me, it worked. And I really like it. This will be perfect for spring, perfect for summer. I'm really happy to have this in my collection. I can totally vouch for this. It's totally worth the whip. I would not suggest blind buying it. You know, I don't really do that with any fragrance, you guys. That's just not my, that's not my MO. That's not my style. Definitely get some flowers in there. Oh my God, it's good. This is like an all white dress. I don't know why I'm so obsessed with white dresses. Okay, come spring, summer, that's all I live in is white, just white, period, okay? Hello, excuse you? It's the color of the season, honey, darling. Anyways, but this is it. All white dress, fresh mani-pedi. Of course, the colors are white. You know, some nice jewelry and accessories and a nice pop of color in your handbag, and you're going out for the day, you're going shopping, you're going to brunch, you know, you're gonna hang out with your boo, your bae, your guys, your girls, whoever it is that you choose to hang out with. You are gonna arrive on the scene and they're gonna be like, oh my gosh, who is that? And you'll be like, oh, me. That's me, darling. That's Killian, Love Don't Be Shy, Extreme. It's really good, and the cap is heavily weighted. It's a nice bottle. It's really simplistic. The bottle looks like this. It's not doing too much. Pretty simplistic. I do love the details of the bottle though. They're always nice. You can't see it because my lights are so bright. There we go. It's gonna look really good on my vanity. So I was super excited to finally add this to my collection. I was so upset because if you know, shop the Sephora sale, they had one, Good Girl Gone Bad. I believe it was Extreme or Fresh. I can't recall, but it was one of them, and it was only $210. Plus you were gonna get 20% off, or 10, or whatever you were getting, right? 15. And I just kept looking for it. I put my name down, you know, let me know when it's available, let me know when it comes back. It never came back, okay? From the time I clicked on the sale, it said sold out. So yeah, I didn't get that one. So anyways, I move on. Another one that I picked up, oh my God, from Chanel, you guys. Oh my gosh, this was a gift to me from Chanel. That's a whole nother story time, okay? But anyways, yeah, this is it. I do not know how to pronounce the name. I'm not gonna even try, okay? Here it is. This is the name of it here. This is an amazing fragrance. I'm not gonna spend too much time on it because I'll be back to do a full-time review, a full review on it. This is amazing. This is classy, elegant, sophisticated from Chanel, okay? So think Chanel DNA, but with a modern twist. It gives me definitely Skyrise, new money, rich money, old money, still luxe money type of vibes that can totally secure the bag, get the job done, and walk away in some heels, stilettos even. I'm just saying, that's the kind of vibe that it gives me. Stay tuned for that review. But this fragrance right here is good. I move on. And then I did do a review on this one. If you guys watch the channel, you've seen me unbox this already, but this is new to the collection, so I put it in. This is Jo Malone Velvet Rose and Oud. This is so sexy, okay? This is so sexy, so date night, so in your face. I got the body cream to go with it too. I know a lot of you said when I unboxed this, Jo Malone's fragrances don't last, yada yada yada. I don't really experience that. I get about 3 to 4 hours out of the regular ones. This is the intense, this is an intense cologne. With these, they last for me. I don't know if it's because I layer it with the body cream, but even when I don't have the body cream for my Mirtha and Tonka, I can still get about maybe 6 hours out of it. And for me, that's, you know, that's pretty okay. 6 hours is good. It's when it dries down and turns into a skin scent and I can't smell it anymore that I'm upset. But this right here gives me about 6 hours, and it's really good. If you like oud, if you like roses, remember I've been looking for a rose fragrance. This is kind of sufficing me right now that I found this. It's really good. It's got that spice, it's got some oud, it's got rose, it's sweet, it's sexy, it's like a red rose. Oh, I have a whole dedicated review to it, you guys, but I did want to mention this because just in case you missed that review, this is a really good fragrance because I know a lot of you said that you like rose and you're looking for rose. So if you have not tried Jo Malone Velvet Rose and Oud, I highly recommend getting a whiff of it. It's definitely worth it. I move on. And then another one, okay? I reviewed this on the channel, you guys. This is from Michael Malone London. It's called Sparkle. It's a new release. It recently came out, like within last month it was out. This is so good. This is so good. Look at this, okay? I just got it maybe a month ago, I would say. Maybe not even a month ago. I've just been dousing myself in this. Now here's the thing, here's what happened. It's fresh, it's pretty, full dedicated review on the channel, but I wanted to bring it up just so that I know some of you are looking for these kind of fragrances and you like them too. This is an easy reach. This is anytime, anywhere, any place. This is date night, this is brunch, this is church, this is a signature scent, this is a work scent, this is just a scent that is easy to wear. I heard somebody refer to it one time as a dumb reach. I don't know if that sounds right. I don't know if I like how that sounds. But it solidifies what I'm trying to say. It is something you could just reach for and spray it. And that's why it has this dent, because going to bed, waking up, going out, doing my workout, I mean, coming back in the house from errands, or, you know, taking a shower after errands, I reach for this. I just keep reaching for it. So if you haven't tried this, I highly recommend it. It's really, really good. If you need a new fragrance, nothing doing the most, nothing over the top, but something really, really good, has a little weight, it's light, but it does have depth to it, kind of sexy. Like I said, full dedicated review on the channel. Check this one out. It is really good. Like I said, this is Michael Malone London. This is from their Couture line, and it is called Sparkle number 293. I move on. I've been playing with this. I did a whole dedicated video to this, so it'll come out. I don't know which is gonna come out first, this or the next one. But this is really good. This is what Chanel came out with. It is from their limited edition line. This is Coco Mademoiselle, and this is just like a perfume light fragrance mist. And it's really a light mist. The thing about it is, you see how light that is? It's so light. Oh my God, but it's so good. It's very light. If you were the type that said, and it's perfect for summer. I think they're even advertising it as summer on their summer thing for like a perfect summer fragrance. It's a very light mist. If Coco Mademoiselle, the original, the intense, the low privé, if any of those were too much for you, this will be a way to go. It does last. It's not beast mode and projection, anything like that. You definitely will get close to your skin and smell it. Like I said, we did a video a couple of weeks back talking about spray your intimate areas, your pulse points. This is something you would carry in your bag, whether you were staying at a hotel or you were going like to the spa, or you're just gonna hang out and you wanted to have something in your bag to take out and lightly refresh yourself with, or just freshen up or what have you. This would be a great way to go. I don't think this is gonna be a good standalone as a fragrance. It's very, very light, like I said, and it comes out like a mist after I just completely sprayed everything with it. It's just very lightly, finely mist. The sprayer is everything to me. Sometime when I'm getting dressed and I just want to, you know, spray it like a body spray or something like that, that's what this would be equivalent to. So I really do like it. It has a nice shower gel that goes with it as well. This to me is kind of pricey. Of course, I am a Chanel lover, so I just bought it. But I mean, you know, what I recommended, I would say go with the low privé, I would say first before you went with this. But if you wanted the limited edition and you're a Chanel lover like I am, you definitely want this, and you definitely want the body gel that goes with it too. It's for the shower. It's really nice. It lathers well. Yes, yes, and yes. It's great. And I just wanted it in my collection. Like I said, I am not a fragrance collector. I am a fragrance lover, but certain Chanel, I am a Chanel collector. And that is it for this video, you guys. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my channel, to stop by. I truly appreciate you. Any fragrances that you would suggest that I check out that are like top priority on your list, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I will talk to you beautiful souls in the next video. Don't forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with a friend, and if you have not hit the subscribe button and you enjoy the vibe here, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, and I will see you beautiful souls in the next one. Until next time, you know the drill. Be blessed, stay fit, and definitely stay fabulous, darlings. Bye.